Hello everyone and welcome back to Gaggia Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Gaggia classic espresso machine. Now for this machine we just replaced the fuse as it was blown out, and we also had to replace the thermostats on the machine as well. The thermostats are located right here and one on the side, so it's pretty difficult to get in there, but we were able to remove them and replace them with the correct ones, which is 105C and 145C on the top, as well as the fuse of 185C. So yeah, we did that, and as you can see, machine is steaming the way it's supposed to. Nice and hot. And remove these just to cool it off a little bit because we're gonna be doing some coffee as well. So as you can see, nice steady steam coming out of the machine. Excellent pressure, really great temperature as well. Working excellent. So now let me cool it down a little bit by shoving some water through here. Perfect. Now we can do our espresso shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings of this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Nice steady flow coming out of the spouts. Pretty fast because I did not tamper very hard as I should have, but we still were able to see nice crema coming on top of the espresso, even though it was very fast. So just to show you the flow, yeah, I definitely need to tamper. You can see a lot of water through here. Clear indication that I need to put more coffee on it and tamp a bit harder. As you can see, the group head of the flow of the group head is pretty nice. Nice steady steam coming out of the group head, working excellent and working the way it's supposed to. So there you have it, Gaggia Classy, turning on once again, not blowing out fuses, and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing with Gaggia Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.